Hello everyone, please welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm not going to share with you a cooking video. It's going to be entirely different video. The video I'm going to share with you today in regards to my channel. My channel got hacked. The hacker took over the control 100% of my channel. I have no way of communicating or even getting into this channel. I really appreciate you guys for being there, helping out, getting me the silver button, and now I have a 200,000 subscriber and I got hacked. I'm going to make this video also in Hindi so that it can help out those people who lost their channel and they know how to follow it. So I'm going to do it in Hindi separately. So please look for that video and I will be posting it soon. This is not a pleasant experience, but I wanted to put this video out there so that if you have issue with your channel and how you can get back your channel and how you can get back all your lost money, that I'm going to share with you. So please stick around until end of the video. As of April 30th, this afternoon, I just got my channel back. I have no word. I have utmost respect for YouTube support. If YouTube or Google is not there, then I won't be able to get my channel back. My channel is very secure. I have a two-step verification on. What it means that anytime somebody try to mess around with my channel, they try to change the password or try to log in, then I get the message on my phone that somebody is logged in my account. I got the message that somebody from Russia logged into my account. Do you recognize this activity? And I said no. And when I pressed no and it asked me to change my password credentials, I should have done it, but I didn't do it. That thing I wanted to share with you. If you have a two-step verification, please don't ignore it. I'm not going to blame myself why I didn't do it, because what if I was sleeping or I was in a bathroom and the phone message came, and the hackers don't need that much time. They just need a few minutes. Once they get into your account, they will transfer your channel to their account. Then they will transfer all the monies you earned it from your channel to their AdSense account. This is very sad. It's unfortunate that these low-life people, I would call, they do these things. I don't know what to say. You guys can make own decision, but it was really bad, and I don't want to wish anything bad for anyone. But YouTube is like my life. You know, I put so much effort. I got so much love from you guys. Basically, you, all the subscribers out there, my virtual family. And it gives me immense pleasure, which I can't describe. So as of today, I'm very happy. I'm back online. So please watch this video. I'm going to share with you that what exactly I did it and how I got my channel back. And I wish that this won't happen to any one of you out there. And like I said, if it does happen, you would know how to get your channel back, how to get your lost money back. Heading towards San Bruno, driving to the headquarters of YouTube. It's a lot of traffic today, and it took me already 3 hours. And if we look at now, it's a lot of traffic. Still, it's going to take me another. Still, it's going to take me another 45 minutes. I'm passing through San Francisco. So another 45 minutes I'll be there, and then I'll share with you how it works out. And this is the San Bruno exit, and we are going towards the headquarters. And the other side, the road is going to San Jose. So that's 901 Cherry Avenue. That's the Google building.
Keep right, then a destination.
So first we need to park it.
we're supposed to park right here for the YouTube building?
You guys can't park in the
Where is the guest parking?
here on the street.
Okay. So we're going to park on the street. It's only for the employees parking. That's the other thing. Oh, luckily we got the parking right here. The Google building don't have the guest parking. The guest parking is not there, as Hudson said. Yeah. I'm heading towards my car. I did file all the complaints with the community guideline support. They don't do on site. So this is pretty hectic. The security is pretty tight up here. As soon as we pull the car, the greeter came along. Then he took us to the building. Then there's another greeter. Then we fill up the forms, gave him all the information. Then the person who is in charge, he came along, and I talked to Traven, and he said he will escalate this report to his supervisor, his superiors, and then they will get back to him in a couple days. So in a couple days we will hear what's going to happen, and I will share with you. At this moment, if we look at, this is how the Easy Steps is looking at right now. He hasn't changed anything, but if I go under About, he has deleted all my information. Under Channel, this is the code space. He changed my second channel to code space, and this channel name was Sidhu DIY. If you look at other thing he has done, if we go on any other video, he changed all the information underneath. So he have done quite a bit of things. He have changed to each one of them. And if we look at under information, he has deleted everything. So this is very frustrating. I'm waiting for the YouTube support desk with the answer. As you can see, this is my channel. This is Sidhu DIY channel, and what happens now, he have changed the channel name to AFK Vlogs 10. Prior to this, he changed it to Code Space. That was for one day. He tried to change the name of channel, and if you notice that under the description, he deleted all my information and he put it XX. If we go under About, basically he has deleted everything. There is nothing. Under the Community tab, he has deleted the most recent videos which I posted, like 8 or 10 videos. He has deleted it, and the rest of all the videos are still there, but he changed the name. All the comments, as you have seen my videos, that I really communicate with all my subscribers. I answer each and every one, and he has deleted all of my comments from each videos. So once you are on channel page, you click on About, and under About information, if you see on the right side, it's a flag. You click on the flag, you click on a report user, and then the second impersonation, you click on that, and then you continue. That will be automatically clicked. The second column, you click on the first one, and then you enter your channel, continue. As soon as you continue, all the videos will pop up. Then you can select up to 20 videos and you can comment that. But in my case, the whole channel has been hijacked. Add additional note, explain what exactly happened, and then click on I'm not a Robert, and then you submit. Then you have to wait until YouTube investigate, and then they will get back to you. And now I will show you quickly on my Easy Step channel. He hasn't changed the name. Under About information, he has deleted everything. You go under Report User, second one, impersonation. You click on that. You click Continue. You click my whole YouTube channel has been impersonated, and then you enter your unique URL ID. Then you click Continue. As soon as you click, video will appear up here. I'm going to enter the information you have available. It's a good idea to describe it here. Then click I'm not Robert and submit. We have to wait. After filing the report with the support, and Google took action on 4/24, and a couple days later I have received many messages from them. The message came from Google support that they did investigate it and they did identify my account was hijacked. This person also associated his AdSense account with my Easy Step channel. Now they ask me to create a brand account name and so that they can transfer the channel, and also they're going to make sure that any amount which the hijacker made during this hijacking, they're going to take that money and those proceeds, the earnings, they're going to transfer to my account. I wanted to share one tip with you that once I created the brand account, I sent the brand account to them and they said brand account I have provided to them, that's a URL account, it's not a brand account. The tip is when you create a brand account, you must verify the account prior to sending to them. So what happened in this case, when I send it to them, they supposed to transfer the whole account from a hacker to my account, so I can have my Easy Step all the videos. They are close to 2,000 videos. So what happens at this moment, it get delayed because when I send it to them, I did not verify it. So please don't do that mistake which I did it. By following this way, you can save some time. So now I am going to wait until they come back to me and they're going to say everything is transferred. And also other good news is, as they mentioned, that they're going to get all the monies what hacker has earned during this time frame. Now we'll wait. Whatever the next step is, I will share with you. And now if we go to our channel, and this is how it looks. Easy Steps. I don't have any videos at this moment. They're going to transfer everything to my channel. All the subscribers is 0 and they're going to get populated as was before. Next step is waiting time. As of today, April 30th, this afternoon, I got my channel back. That's one of the good news. So I'm really excited. I'm happy that I got my channel back. And then I opened the Easy Step. Everything is back to normal. I'm so happy to have my channel back, and the good news is I got all the money back from the hacker's account. That I wanted to share with you, and thank you everyone for watching. And if you have any questions, please message me and I will answer you, each one of you. So if you found this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking, and please don't forget for auto videos and for sharing videos on my other channel on Sidhu DIY. So thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.